Hi there, today I'm going to show you how CANVID works. Basically, CANVID is a screen recording app for Windows, but what sets it apart from the rest is that it makes it very easy for you to create and share beautiful, professional-looking videos. Here we have the recording selection screen where you get to choose if you want to capture your entire screen or specific window. So for this demo, let's choose Window and I'll do a quick screen recording of our website. Alrighty, I'm back and I'm done recording. When you're done recording, the app will bring you to the CANVID Editor, and here is where all the magic happens. So right away you will see the preview screen in which you will, of course, preview the changes you make when using the editor tools. As you can see, we haven't really done anything yet, but it already looks a lot better than your regular screen recording. You can even crop parts of your screen you don't want to show in your final video, just like this. Easy. At the bottom is the timeline. During recording, CANVID will automatically register mouse clicks as zooms, represented by these blue bars right here. But the good thing is that, through the timeline, you have the power to add, remove, and edit your own zooms or cut a portion of your video if you must. Let's go over the sidebar tool starting with the background. Let's make some adjustments right here to make it look a lot nicer. By the way, don't forget to save your settings in the presets. This allows you to reuse your favorite CANVID settings on the fly. Another standout feature of CANVID is the ability to level up your cursor. For example, by default, CANVID can make your cursor glide smoothly. And you also get to change the size and the style to your liking. Also, let me introduce to you a couple of AI-powered features you will definitely love. Here we can automatically generate a transcript, which comes in handy when you're making instructional videos, tutorials, demos, and a lot more. So for this video, I have already done that, and CANVID did an amazing job, as you can see. And it's not just any ordinary captions. It comes with dynamic text highlighting. Cool, right? As you can see, I used the webcam in this project. Let's select the camera sidebar, and from here you can make changes to the camera position, roundness, offset, and size. But here's the best part. CANVID's camera AI background adds a whole new level of advanced webcam customization to your video. With this feature, you can replace the background with any image, or even remove the background entirely. Now, if you're still not impressed with CANVID's features, I don't know what will. When you're done, you can export your video as a GIF or MP4 for up to 4K. CANVID can also upload your video to the cloud for quick sharing. That's it. I hope you guys had fun learning about the awesome features of CANVID. Have a great day!